And it's 10:05 in the evening here, so it's time for me to sleep. Later on, I'm going to sleep. Bumaba ang bayad ko dito. Magpadala ako ng mga sticker. Okay, mahal? Sana all. Are you going to send sticker? I love you. Please say you love me too. There's your words, they could change. There's your words, they could change the last forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Choo-choo-choo. Florlinda, das Philippines. Thank you so much, Nixon, for visiting me. So it's 10:06. Time check. Time check. I love you. You say you love me too. There's your words, they could change the lives forever. And I promise you that we'll always be together till the end of time. Don't sabotão ko diri mo. Uy, aswang. Sing very well. No, I don't know how to sing actually. I love to sing, but the sing did not like me. I mean, the song did not like me. It's so terrible. See, you're laughing at me. Sorry, naalog. Oo, magaling kumanta. I love that. I love that kind of Tagalog, Tagalog Nixon. I like that. Keep it up. Who knows, one day, are you going to marry a Filipinas? You know how to speak Tagalog already. Say you love me too.